Alright, so we start off today's video with this DIY disco mirror design. This is one of my favorite TikTok trends of 2023. I'm just in love with this particular idea. So they have a mirror here. Some cardboard. Oh, some foil. Okay, so I'm guessing that's gonna give it like some shape. And then going over that with the modeling clay. And then you can get the disco mirror strips from Amazon, I believe. This seems like a really easy project. Like, I've seen different variations of people doing this, but the way that they did it here, this is like so simple and chic, and I like how it's small. Oh, I just love this trend. So cute. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone doing another one of those TikTok trends, and that is of the worded, trendy, catchy sayings. So this is gonna be like a wall decor piece here. If you guys follow this channel, you've probably already seen this one. So there says it's not that serious. I like how they're making it with their friend. It seems like a fun little like girls' night in project. I don't know. I'm random like that, so. Well, they use baking soda to create the texture. I haven't seen that one before, but this came out cute. Like I said, I think this is a cute little project. And they hung it over their bed. Very nice. Next up, we got an outdoor Ikea hack. This one involves a little basket. Okay, so we already know where this is going. They're making their own lights. Now, if you don't have the electrical for this, you could use the puck lights. So she's cutting a hole at the top and then stringing the light through. And then bam, using this as like an outdoor patio furniture vibe. Oh, I really like those lights she has over there in the background. Those are really pretty. They're like fairy lights in the bulbs. That's cute. All right, so then we move on to this action hack. So they have some type of tray here. Now this is like contact paper. I feel like this would also make for like cute wall decor. They made a nice little table tray. Easy peasy project idea. Very cute, interesting decor. I feel like they need one more object on here just to like put it all together. All right, so then we have an Ikea furniture flip. Oh, wow. Oh, she used a comb to get this design. Okay. Now, after doing this, she probably had to throw this comb away because you would not want to use this on your hair again. Just saying. "24 hours later." Now you could leave it all white like this, you know, but she goes in here with this gold. This is almost like a mustard yellow gold. Like, it doesn't look gold, it looks like mustard yellow gold. This is pretty though. I actually like the color. I am a fan of mustard yellow when it comes to like fashion. I don't know if I'd play around with it in my home though. I'd rather go for like actual gold. This is pretty though, and I think that the color scheme is nice. I almost want to see how this mustard yellow would look with blue, like navy blue. Oh, that would be beautiful. I'm really picturing that in my head. All right, so then we have another Ikea hack. This one features the wooden placemats. Now, I have seen these being done before. Usually the person was making like a table, like when I see these. Or typically the person is making a table when I see this. Oh, she's sewing for this one. I wonder if she is making a table. Oh, bedside table. Oh, that is cute. I like how she put a shelf here. 2 shelves, actually. Wow. That's nice. Very cute idea. When I saw that wooden placemat, I just knew she was going to make a table. All right, so then we move on to the next one. This one features some little wooden rings. It's like they are staining them. I've actually never seen these with the stain before, so this is going to be interesting. I am still unsure what they're making though. I'm going to guess right now and say candle holder. Oh, a vase. Oh, wow. Very nice. Nice, simple DIY idea. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.